Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is basically a realistic, very relatable, obviously, Sunday morning routine. So here, we're just trying to get that sunlight to come in. I love a great sunlight. Um, Also, I try to start my mornings off with tidying up the house just a little bit, enough where I'm comfortable once I actually do sit down. So here you see me just straighten up the couch, the pillows. I spray it with Febreze every week, if not every other day, but mostly on Sunday. So I use the Febreze for my bedroom and as well as my living room area. But of course, I didn't show you guys my bedroom area because obvious reasons. But I just like to start my Sunday mornings off with just, cleaning up a little bit. And then I'll go and, I'll go and get myself together in the bathroom. As far as like washing my face, really more so cleaning my face. Oh, and here, these candles, I absolutely love them because I got them from TJ Maxx and it is Sand and Fall collection. But like I was saying, whenever I go to the bathroom on Sundays, I just try to cleanse my face. I don't do a mask. Sometimes I do a mask like at night or something like that. But I have normal to dry skin. And my skin is pretty sensitive. So everything that I use is very gentle on my skin. And I haven't actually developed a skin routine, but that's going to be coming soon. But I will show you guys um the skin products that I am using currently, and I will list them down below so you guys can go and check those out if you have the skin that I have. Now, it does work and it keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day or whatever. So, here you just see me basically doing what I do in the morning, girl. So, I try to use two things at once. So one of the things that I do use is like a gentle cleanser, and I use like a scrub, exfoliator, on my skin, and I don't wash the other one off. I just use both of them together. So and it works for me. So you guys can try that if you haven't. But I'm not going to hold you guys and just talk. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video and I will pop back in. So here we are once again. Okay, so I don't know. I know I can't be the only one, but child, I do not like doing laundry. Maybe it's because my washer and my dryer are really cutting up like some badass kids. But honey, I do not like to do it now. Because I used to like to hear that noise, but mostly on Sundays I do try to wash my daughter's clothes for the week. And then I'll try to throw mine in there somewhat, but I wash my clothes maybe like on a Wednesday or something like that or whatever. But washing, drying, then folding the clothes, honey, no, that's too much for a girl. And as you guys can see, if you don't already know, I'm 5 months pregnant. Baby, I don't feel like actually doing this. But for the sake of this video, honey, I did it. And plus, I had to do it today because today was the day that I normally do wash my daughter's clothes. So that's what you see me doing here. Something that I don't typically enjoy, but hey, it has to be done. So, and as you guys can see, my daughter be having a lot of clothes, honey. And I just have to sort through them. All this bending over and child, I just be over it. I be so over it by the time I close that thing down. Baby, I don't want to look at the washer and dryer no more. But I know I have to open it back up and put this stuff in the dryer. Whoo, child. But anywho, after I do that, I try to go ahead and really get my morning started and, eat. So I head to the kitchen. As you guys can see here, don't y'all just love my kitchen? It's so cute. It's coming together. I got to get all that stuff up off the wall. Everything on that refrigerator, honey, is ghetto. It screams ghetto-ness. So I'm going to tighten it up. And there's going to be another video coming soon. But on Sunday morning, like I said, this video is very realistic for me. It's not your typical aesthetically pleasing video because it's real life over here, honey. And in the mornings on Sundays, I tend to want a big breakfast like bacon, sausage, eggs, sometimes a pancake or a waffle. But this time today, we ate biscuits. So I really wanted that this morning. So as you can see here, that was our Sunday morning breakfast. And I don't know if I said the time, but it was probably like 8 something in the morning. And I normally don't even get up that early. But child, I was up. And I love my orange juice. So I had to get a little fancy for the video and give y'all a glass. So here we are, freshly out of the shower. I done ate my food. Now I just want to sit down on this couch, honey, and I just want to kick my feet up. So I got me a cup of water, ice water at that. Y'all see them feet getting kicked up? Okay. Like I said, a girl is prego. I don't have time to be just walking around the house. I have to relax. So I sit down and I enjoy my water, and I try to find me something to watch on TV. And sometimes I start off by watching, some YouTube videos. And I found Peyton's video. If y'all do not watch her, go check her out. I am Peyton Charles. I started watching her video because I started the day before and I just needed to finish it. So that's why I had to get up and I had to sit up, girl, and try to find this video. But anywho, that is my Sunday morning. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys really love this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, honey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with more content.